Willow camp.
Just making a public camp here, so I'll go in there.
Get some of the cows on camera. Oh! Did you see that?
You thought there was only small ones in here, didn't you?
I got that on camera. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's going off my my finger. There's a fish. Yep. No, it's coming to me. That's a big fish, guys. Big one.
Fish of the day. You found the net wrap.
Oh. Well, I don't know what you want it done with this.
Just throw it out of the water.
Now my hands are all nasty.
Oh! You broke it!
Stop using swivels, man. What were you using, a chatterbait? I knew they were gonna, chatterbaits would work. Yeah, I do. Everything I do. What's that? I got a fish. Fish on. Fish on! Fish on! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, let's go. First Keeney Farm winter bass. Alright guys, first winter pond bass of the year. Or at least for here. This isn't my first one of the year, but first one of the season. So we're gonna go ahead and release them. See you, bud. All I was doing was using this deep diving crankbait. And I was giving it jerks. Like a jerk bait. Up. And he just smoked it. Even though I cast that spot several times. So I'm gonna do that again. There's a fish. Number two. It's a little smaller. I guess I'll see you, buddy. $200 reel, that's beautiful. Yep, those are shad. They have a really nice shad population out here. in this private pond. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, to be honest with you. Wow. Oh! Oh my god. There's another fish. Oh my goodness, you can see yourself. Look at this, guys. Guys, I get to feed a goat.
Shut up. Shut up. You know what's crazy?
Look at the goat.
You did not.
Guys, look at the puppy cam. Look at the puppy. There's a fish, first cast on the rattle trap. That's a big one. It's actually a really good one. This might be the biggest one of the day. That's around here. I'm having a hard time bringing this guy in. I can't even see him yet. Oh, he's not that big. He's a lot bigger with this rod. Switch over the rattle trap. Oh, broke my line already. At least I got him in before it broke my line. Good beauty, guys. Yep, right there on the rattle trap. Don't want to keep it out of the water too much longer. It's pretty cold out here. Alright, I'll see you later, buddy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode with my roommate. I was at his farm for the first time, so that was an exciting adventure. I got to see the cows, the puppies, and catch fish. So that was really fun. I was wishing we would fish in more ponds, but we didn't. It was really, really cold. I don't even know if he got above 40 the whole time we were there. That's how cold it was. I mean, like, it was cold. But hey, we still caught him, and that's what matters. But sadly, this is not one of the 3 subscriber YouTube videos. Sorry. But there's 2 more out there that could possibly be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, share. See ya.